Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to use Ruby programming language to print this pyramid patterns. So two pyramid patterns, this one and this one. And in the previous video, we built two functions with Ruby to print pyramid patterns or star patterns in increasing and decreasing fashion from the left side. In this video, the same thing, increasing and decreasing patterns from the right side. So let's get started. Go ahead and fire up your text editor. I will be using command prompt and IRB. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So you can use anything, command prompt, PowerShell, terminal, whatever you have, or you can use your text editor. But this is going to be live, so I'll be using my IRB in command prompt. So here we go. So I'm going to simply define a pyramid. I'm just going to call it Pira, and this will be taking rows value from the users. So I'll simply say gets chump. I'll also make sure this gets converted to integer, and then I'm going to loop over this number range. So row in 0 to the number input by the user, so row in 0 to the number, and then I want to print. So we are going to print increasing star pattern from the right. So first we want to print spaces in decreasing fashion, and then the star. So I'm going to take two spaces, not single, two spaces, and I want to multiply with rows minus row. So this will be decreasing. So rows minus row. Oops. That's done. And then I want to print star with one space. So star, one space, and then this is going to be only into row, and then I want to move on to next line, which will be like this. Right, so that's how it's going to do things. Now I'm going to end it, and let's see if I run Pira. It's going to ask for a number, and then it's going to print the spaces in decreasing fashion. You can see here decreasing spaces and then increasing stars, and then it's going to the new line in the same print function. So that's the first pyramid that I wanted to build with Ruby, and this is a very simple function, right? So okay, now let's move on to the next. So I'm simply going to say def Pira1, you can name it whatever you want, and then I'm going to say rows equal to gets. So gets basically is inbuilt method to take input from the user, and this is also used to move on to the next line. And I also want to make sure this number or whatever it is an integer, right? Then again the same thing for row in 0 to the number input by the user. So here we go. Now I'm going to use the print method, and let's see, this time we are going to print spaces into row and a star into rows minus row, and then the new line. So very simple, two spaces into row, comma, star space into rows minus row, and then new line. Okay, so row and then rows minus row. Now if I go ahead and end it and end the function, so this is just opposite to the previous pattern. You can see it here. So here this is only the difference we have here. So this is going to be increasing and this is going to be decreasing. So you'll see something like this. Now let's go ahead and run it. So Pira1, and it's going to take us 10. There's something wrong here. Mistake, spelling mistake. Now it should work. So Pira1, and it's going to take 10, and you can see this is what it's doing here. So that's all we wanted in this video. So this is for Pira, which was the very first method that we wrote, and this is Pira1, and you can see this is increasing star pattern from the right, and this is decreasing star pattern from the right. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to show you how you can actually print the pyramid like this, which will begin from center and expand through here and then upside down as well. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye for now. See you in the next video.